Is this worth the end? But continue on I vow. Now I'm all alone, I'm still hiding in the dark. I said and told you wrong, we can only go so far. Oh, stay strong, we live eternally. All is well in the Afton family. Lives they felt in pure insanity. All is hell in the Afton family. Always begging please, get the outcome I would dread. I fall into my knees, let my pride get to my head. Now I'm all alone, hearing whispers in the dark. I wander through the past, seeing memories afar. Oh, stay strong, we live eternally. All is well in the Afton family. Lives they felt in pure insanity. All is hell in the Afton family.
But the future keeps luring in like a pack of snakes. Your sweet little eyes, your little smile is all I remember. Those fuzzy memories mess with my temper. Justification is killing me, but killing isn't justified. What happened to my son? I'm terrified. It lingers in my mind and that thought keeps on getting bigger. I'm sorry, must be, baby, I wish I'd been there. It's been so long since I last have seen our soul lost to this monster, to the man behind the slaughter. Since you've been gone, I've been singing this to this song so I could wonder the sanity of my mother. I've been trying for so long to sing you the right song, to show you something different every day, so you hear what I have to say. Lots of reasons, and now we're here at a standstill. I wonder if you feel the kind of pain that puts your insides out. That's something I know all about. Shocking, ain't it? Is it because it could be her? Made any mistakes to make me hurt? I can't fix you. Is it because it can be her? Made me awake and make me hurt. I can't fix you. I can feel my heart breaking, mistakes I've been making. I'm running out of patience to pretend. This isn't how I'll let it end. We're fading. You've been running your life here, last grinding night gears. How can a human lose their self-control? There's nothing left to make you whole. I'm done explaining. This is because it can be her. Made any mistakes and make me hurt. I can't fix you. Is it because it can be her? Made me awake and make me hurt. I can't fix you. This is what happens when you leave it to somebody else. If you want it done right, you should just do it yourself. You oversaturate your world with nothing but machines. You might make everyone happy, but you're dead inside just like me.